What's up, guys? What you see here is a 1981 Casablanca Victorian. This fan has something a little different about it, as it has a cardboard box control, and that is not original. This fan originally had a slumber quiet control, but I converted it to 3-speed. So what happened? This is what happened. I got this fan for free off of one of my dad's friends. The slumber quiet didn't work. I converted it to 3-speed, and then I decided to do a little experiment, and I put a cardboard box control in there. Cardboard box solid state control, and also a 10 microfarad capacitor, and it works. So this fan dates to January of 1981, and it came with a hang screw, which I will show here. It has the hatch, it's just not on. Here it is. That tassel is also original to the fan. It also came with, I believe, a Homestead light kit, which I will now show you here. Just kind of. This is what the light kit looks like. Oops, I almost fell down. Just it's not on the fan right now because the screws it used to mount were too small for the threads, so like you could just kind of pull it out after it sat on there for a while. I also got this fan along with a 1984 Ritz Hugger with CEC made very heavy fan. That's a good fan. I haven't tested it yet. I will get to that. So the tassel, everything's original on the fan, including the switch cap. And this fan's kind of weird. I'll give it a closer view of the fan. As it uses a K63 Victorian style housing. As there's a hole right there for a reverse switch. Right there. Just a pull chain, variable speed knob. We come over here. Here's our tag. Here's the fan. So let's put the phone back on the tripod here and we can get to the demonstration. Excuse my room. Alright. Here we are. Let's fire. Let me adjust a little more. Let's fire her up on low. This is the slowest I could get it to start on the variable speed. Any slower than this would stall out. It is a little fast once it gets up to speed. It's a decent low speed. Just it could be tuned a little bit slower. So yeah, I'm thinking about giving this fan Zephyr irons. Just because I kind of prefer these older style Victorians with Zephyr irons. I kind of prefer the 5-blade ones with like the pretzel ones, and then the older 4-blade ones with Zephyr irons. Or kind of just a variable speed Victorian. I think it looks good with Zephyr irons. See, the low speed is a little fast for my liking. Also, I'll show you at the end of the video. The flywheel is very, very like jiggly, I guess. So you could, it's very like nice and flexible. So I'm not worried about this flywheel breaking. I think it gets a little faster, but we'll just call this a low speed. This is I like this low speed, so I guess I'll keep it like this. See inside there's a 3-way Leviton pull chain. So the metal one, a 10 microfarad capacitor, and a cardboard box solid state control, and also a whole mess of wire nuts and wires. So I converted this fan from the help of Noah Bones. He helped me convert the fan to cardboard box because he did the same conversion on a 4 seasons. And I just kind of wanted to see if it would work out, and lo and behold, it did. So let's increase the strobe and knob a little bit. So more of a functional low here, on like a Slumber 3 fan. You can kind of start to hear the hum. Okay, this is about the lowest speed on like a Slumber 3 fan. So yeah, here's like a functional low. Turn it up a little more. So here's more of like a medium low. And excuse the what should we call it? The lack of smoke alarm in the left. My old one had a short in it, so we're trying to get a new one. I don't know much about smoke alarms. So, yeah, so here's more like a medium low. Turn it up a little more. Here's a little more. More of like a medium speed. You can kind of hear I bet you could probably hear the hum now. Starting to get a decent breeze. I can feel it from where I'm standing behind the camera. Turn up a little more. It's like not quite high, but it's like a medium high. I can already feel a very nice breeze from when standing. Tassel's starting to dance a little bit. And now, let's do straight high speed. Take the foot off the tripod. Image might be a little crooked. It's just this tripod's kind of weird. Alright, and I guess we can shut her off now. Alright, so that is a 1981 Casablanca Victorian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.